Around the world, more than 1 billion people suffer from vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is one of the most important nutrients needed by your body. It not only affects your immune system and your bones, but it is also important for your mental health. Studies have shown that the lack of vitamin D can affect your brain in many ways. Even among relatively healthy people, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to reduced memory and cognition. One new study shows why vitamin D is vital for brain health and how its deficiency can lead to disorders including depression and schizophrenia. In the study, researchers removed vitamin D from the diet of a healthy group of adult mice, and after 20 weeks found a significant decline in their ability to remember and learn compared to a control group. Researchers found that the vitamin D deficient group had reduced perineuronal nets in the hippocampus, which is the brain region crucial to memory formation. These nets act as a scaffolding for the brain. They stabilize important neurons and the connections between them. Researchers proposed that vitamin D plays an important role in keeping these nets stable, and that when vitamin D levels drop, this scaffolding is more easily degraded by enzymes. Loss of function in this area could be an important contributor to the hallmarks of schizophrenia, including severe memory deficits and distorted perception of reality. Vitamin D receptors are found all over the body, including the immune cells. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is part of the seasonal nature of the cold and flu outbreaks. Less sunlight means less vitamin D, which leads to lower immunity and more illnesses. While vitamin D plays many essential roles in your body, its best understood function is keeping your bones strong. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which your body uses for bone growth and to maintain bone strength. Low levels of vitamin D can cause your bones to become soft and brittle due to low calcium content, increasing your risk of fractures. When you don't have enough vitamin D, you feel hungry all the time, no matter how much you eat. That is because low levels of vitamin D interfere with the effectiveness of leptin, the appetite hormone that tells you when you are full. When vitamin D is replenished and back to normal levels, leptin's actions are restored, thus creating feelings of fullness and aiding in weight loss. Vitamin D is extremely important in regulating cell growth and for cell-to-cell communication. Some studies have suggested that calcitriol, the hormonally active form of vitamin D, can reduce cancer progression by slowing the growth and development of new blood vessels in cancerous tissue, increasing cancer cell death, and reducing cell proliferation and metastasis. Vitamin D influences more than 200 human genes, which could be impaired when we do not have enough vitamin D. Studies have shown an inverse relationship between vitamin D levels and risk of type 2 diabetes. In people with type 2 diabetes, insufficient vitamin D levels may negatively affect insulin secretion and glucose tolerance. So, no matter what your dietary or exercise habits are, be sure to keep an eye on your vitamin D levels. Even if you aren't concerned with your physical appearance or strength, this vitamin plays a role in nearly every aspect of your health. Make it a priority and you'll be living a healthier, happier life.